Alright guys, we'll get back to another video. Today I'm eating some meatloaf dinner. I've been craving meatloaf for a while. And you saw the video how I made it. So yeah, this recipe is a YouTube video I found. I'll leave the link in the description down below. I basically have the recipe. Add some ketchup. Love ketchup on my meatloaf. That's how I like my meatloaf. Some people like mashed potatoes. I just love baked potatoes. I think it's like 8:30. God, even though I only took like a half an hour nap, I still can't get dinner early on time with all the filming I did. Then my sister called me and wow. Maybe I should start making my dinners on Sunday so I can just have this ready to go on Monday. A little bit of this Kinder, the blend. Just on the broccoli, a little bit on the potato. Let's try this meatloaf. Good. Very moist. I've craved meatloaf for so long. It doesn't really take that long to make. It's just time consuming. You never have a full-time job. Broccoli is so good. It's actually organic broccoli from Safeway. My phone right now is so full of videos from like Santa Monica, Santa Barbara, so I have to start editing these out. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. I don't think I'll be able to film any videos this week, so I have to edit these videos. It's like when you go on vacation. When I go on vacation, I always get behind on my regular videos because I do a lot when I go on vacation, and then so I get back and I do film more videos, like regular videos, and I'm just so backlogged from the vacation videos. So. I have so much editing to do for the Las Vegas, when it's Santa Monica, Santa Barbara vlog. But you've already sent, you'll see in this video, you see those vlogs already. Because right now I just finished the last vlog of my Santa Barbara trip. Yeah, let's talk about, I didn't tell you guys about this crazy situation when I came back from Santa Barbara when I was driving. I stopped at a gas station. I didn't tell you what happened. Yeah, so basically I stopped at a gas station, Chevron actually, close to Pismo Beach. And so basically what happened was, I got some gas. This clerk was about 20 or maybe early 30s. We looked about 20 to 30. Got a lottery ticket. He wished me good luck. He seemed very nice. So yeah, I came back. So I got my gas. And I said, you know what? I really want some coffee. So I went back and get some coffee. The clerk, I don't know his name, he was asking me, what am I doing today? So I told him I'm on vacation, driving from Santa Barbara to the Bay Area. And then he was like, then he told me something crazy. He was like, oh, I'm from LA and I drove over here because I murdered somebody. That's what he said. He murdered. And I'm like, what did he just say? And I didn't really want to pry or anything, but I wanted to know why he did it. And I was like, I wonder if it was self-defense. Like, was it self-defense? It's like, yeah, it was. I was in the gang, he was trying to kill me, something like that. So he murdered him. He said he was 15 at the time. 15 years old. And so he moved over here by Pismo Beach area. Get away from the gang, the violence, I guess in LA or something like that, he said. And he said they found where he lived or where he worked. And they came after him, was going to try to kill him. And then he showed me a picture on his phone of like all the blood on his head and I think it was all over his head and his maybe his arm area. I think it was mostly his head area. All these like I think they had like a knife and they just poked at him and they're trying to kill him. It was just so weird and awkward. And I wanted to use the restroom, so I asked him where the restroom was, and he showed me. He's like, be careful, because a lot of people have almost died in the restroom because, you know, they were doing drugs like cocaine, that's like bad drugs. And then he's like, be careful or something. It's like, and it's like after the restaurant, I just wanted to get out of there. So I told my coworkers the story today. I'll tell one of my coworkers, and she's like, did you tell your other coworkers the story about that gas station guy? I'm like, no. Okay, you should tell them. I guess she thought it was really important to tell them, or maybe crazy, and I still told them today. I thought it was kind of crazy, actually. So that's the story. So yeah, I had a good time in Santa Barbara and Santa Monica with Joel. It's really cool. I came back and I was really relaxed. I remember being really relaxed, like the next day, super relaxed in the morning. And I also remember that whole week pretty relaxed. When I saw my sister in Texas, I seemed very tired. I think it's because there was a 2-hour difference. I don't know what it was, but I just remember being extremely tired after seeing my sister. But I felt energized. Maybe because I was near the beach. I don't know. So I'm not really sure, but so I didn't request time off from Walmart because a lot of cashiers have said when they request time off, they get denied and they get so angry. And I didn't really want to feel angry, but you can take time off by using your PPTO hours, and that's what I did. But when I came back, I noticed I have 2 points on Saturday. Sunday was fine, but 2 points on Saturday. I'm like, what? Why? I don't know if it was a key event day there's certain days you can't take off time, and if you do, you get points, like a inventory day, for example. I think they blocked November and December as well. So I wasn't sure why I got points. So I looked at on my computer to see why, and it said I was a no call, no show. I'm like, no call, no show, what? So confused. I didn't understand because my points was lower. I have less PP to an hour, so I know my points were lower. They took my hours and my points, but why was it no call, no show? I was confused. So I went onto this Walmart Facebook group and I asked them to see if they knew why, and they said, looks like you didn't call out, but you used your points. And I thought about it because when I did it on the app, and on Saturday, I probably, because I was in a rush, I think I just used my points instead, and I just forgot to call out. But Sunday, I called out and I used my points. So because I called out, I got 2 points. I was so angry. I think that was a Wednesday or Thursday. I just decided to check my points. And I remember being so angry that day, like, because I don't like to have any points at Walmart, because once you have 5 points, you're out. You're automatically out. And what if I have an emergency? Or what if I'm sick, you know? What do I do? They don't take the doctor's note if you're sick. If I'm sick, they don't really care. You just have to use a mask. That's all they... Walmart has probably one of the most strict attendance policies I've ever known. Seriously. They fired one cashier because she broke her ankle and she was on crutches. And I guess they didn't approve her time off and they fired her. Can you believe that? It's crazy. I'm going to talk to one team leader to see if he can change it. All the other team leaders are not very nice, but one of the guys is nice. I'm just going to see if he can, they can take points off if they want to. I want to see if he can. If he can't, it is what it is. I have to be very, very careful not to call out. In fact, I don't want to take any vacation because they take 1 point away at 6 months, which would be about March. I don't really want to take any vacation until March, obviously. But if I got 2 points, it is what it is. It was still worth it. It's still worth the 2 points, honestly. I've been on TikTok lately. I've been seeing some videos that people say when they go in Walmart, they feel like, I don't know, they feel off. They may feel tired, anxiety. They feel the energy is off. They just feel creepy. I was just interesting. It could be the lighting too. We don't have the best lighting. So I don't know. But I guess it is what it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you next video. Peace.